We introduce you to a businessman who at the age of 31 was a certified billionaire. Clara Celdran reports.
33-year-old Joseph Calata is known as one of the country's youngest self-made billionaires. He is the CEO of Calata Corporation, a recognized agriculture products distributor. His company went public last year and became a top-performing initial public offering in the stock exchange in 2012. The humble beginnings may have prompted the would-be entrepreneur to dream big. Joseph lived a simple life, his growing up years spent in the farms of Bulacan, where his family owned a poultry feed store. After college, he returned home to introduce much-needed changes to the family business.
And then napansin ko, bakit yung tindahan namin, pag umalis ako, pag minagnakaw, hindi wala ka lang mapapansin. Na pag minawala, gano'n na lang, may mawawala na lang. Wala kasing accounting, walang system. So, kailangan nandun ka nakaupo ng buong araw para walang mawala dun sa pera. Walang POS, wala namang ganun din. Hindi naman kasi uso sa province yung POS pagdating sa mga poultry supply. So, naisip ko, bigyan ko ng computer.
Adding computers systemized their business and hiring field salesmen helped expand their market reach. In 3 years, profits dramatically rose to 200 million from 40 million pesos in a year. Joseph's innovation and farming background led to successful partnerships with multinational companies such as Magnolia and Monterey, allowing the company to venture into animal breeding and farming.
Like mga multinational company, nagtitiwala sa ginawa ko. Kasi ako lang ang tindahan na merong report ng mga benta niya per customer, per area. Ako lang ang may ganun kasi computerized na ako eh. Then ako lang ang may mga salesman.
He takes pride in revolutionizing the agriculture business. He aims to change the mindset that farming is about dirt and hard labor. With the right skills, it can be a profitable business.
Sa agri kasi, merong image na parang pag-agri, parang madumi, parang mahirap, di ba? Pag tingnan mo agri, parang naisip mo magkasaka naka-sombrero ng batas-batas eh. Di ba? Di ako naka-chinelas, di ako naka-ganon. Kahit agri yung ginagawa namin, nagpa-farm kami. Pero hindi mo kailangang maging ganon ang itsura, di ba? So, nasabi ko sa mga tao na yung agri kasi, gawin natin cool, gawin natin cool yung agriculture,
A recent move ramped up the company's operations. He adapted new technologies from other countries.
Pinasok ko yung technology. Like, meron nga kaming partnership with Argentinian company. Kami yung unang nag-plant ng mechanized corn planting sa Philippines. Sa technology ng Argentina, hindi na kailangan magbungkal. Pa-flat mo lang siya, then tanim na lang ng tanim. So, hindi na kailangan bungkalin, so save ng labor. So, ginagawa namin ngayon, tinuturo namin technology sa lahat ng cooperative, sa lahat ng farmers para maging competitive yung mga farmers sa pagtatanim. Ang reason kaya yung farmers hindi yumayaman dahil yung efficiency hindi tama.
Joseph also encourages local farmers to learn and apply new farming methods.
Kasi sa agriculture, hindi mo na sila nag-iisip na maging modern to. Survival lang naman ang gusto sa agriculture eh. Nagbebenta sila ng ganito para lang mabuhay, para lang mapakain yung pamilya nila. Sa utak ko, wala akong pakialam dun sa kikitain ito. Ang gusto ko is lumaki, gusto ko magkaroon ng change sa agriculture industry.
Calata Corporation is proof that the agriculture industry is modernizing. With new methods and technology, less labor is required, production will be quicker, and sales will increase. Farmers will not be stereotyped as laborers, but possibly level up to become just like Joseph, CEO, visionary, and a leader. Clara Celdran, Solar News.